Good morning, everybody. My name is Bob, and I'm about to do a product critique. As you can see, I'm wearing glasses. These are readers. Bought them off of Amazon with four other pairs. I think I paid about $8 for them, and they have worked for me just fine. I can see up close. I can see far away. When I have to see really super close, I put on another pair, so I have kind of like telescopes. But anyway, uh, a little less than a week ago, or about a week ago, I got back onto Amazon. I'd been hearing about these autofocus glasses, and I thought, well, why not? If I can find them cheap, it's only a waste of a little bit of money, if at all. So I found two pair. I can't find out the name of them. They're just a generic pair, I guess. They're attractive little guys. These guys right here. So they're attractive, and they seem to work up close. They give you good clarity up close. But if you're driving and you want to see road signs or something of that nature, they don't work. You're going to have to use either your other readers or take them off entirely. So that's my critique on these. We will call these dummy glasses. And yeah, for buying them, I was a dummy, but I tried. Guys, thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, share if you will. Leave any comments you like to. Thank you.